Hey, I want to play my own game, but I don't know about graphics, blending, and game engine. So in this video, I will show you how I make game using codes at HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's too funny, but we have nothing to do. I know coding well, but I haven't so time to write codes and correct them, so I need help from AI. I will take codes from AI like Bing AI Chat GPT and a hidden one, so let's take the code.
In description. Or if you want top lay for free link in description.